Hey, so today's video, I have a Mesa 110 cabinet and a Mesa Thiele 112 cabinet. Both of these cabinets have a closed back, and they're substantially different in size, weight, the whole deal. The Thiele, some people would get a 112 thinking it's a compact cab, but a Thiele cab is quite heavy, quite cumbersome. And the little 110 cab is actually a lightweight, easy to transport cab. I've only used that cab live a few times, and I've used it at jam nights where I didn't need a lot of firepower. So what I've done, there's a Shure SM57 in front of the cabinet and then a room mic. And the room mic is only at 20% in the audio, so you're getting mainly the SM57. With that said, no settings on the amplifier changed. I used my Fender Stratocaster with a Seymour Duncan Distortion pickup in the bridge. I went from the cable right to the amp and the amp right to the cab, so there's no effects or anything in there. The one thing that you'll notice is there's an apparent loudness difference with the 1x12 cabinet, and that's to be expected. So again, no levels were changed at all in this, and I hope this gives you a good indication of the difference in volume, perhaps moving more air with a 112 versus a 110, but also gives you an idea of the capabilities of the 110 cabinet.